Hey, how's it going everybody? It's Andy from Melted Iceberg, and today I'm going to show you how to make a page your front page in WordPress. Now, some of you may wonder why you want to do this. Typically in a WordPress install, the list of posts is on your homepage, but if you're making a more traditional site for like a restaurant, for example, you probably don't want to show posts on the homepage, you just want to show content. And using a page to do this is pretty much the only way to do it in WordPress. And it's actually fairly simple, so let's hop in here. As you can see right now, we just have a list of posts on our homepage here. So we're just going to pop into the WordPress admin. First, you'll want to create a page that will be your front page. So right here, we just have an example front page file. And then you also want to make a page. You can either call it news or blog. I just like to call it blog because that's what people expect. But this will be your new front page for posts. So the content that you actually put in here doesn't really matter. It'll basically get overwritten with your posts. So all you got to do is head into settings, reading. And here you can see the typical setting is your latest post, but we want a static page. So we click here, and then the home page, we want to set it to that front page file. And then post page, we want to set it to the blog page. Now this is really important because you're still going to want to be able to see posts. So you want to make sure that you have a page for that. So after saving those settings, you can see our home page now is the front page. And it's as simple as that. And then of course, if we just go to /blog, we have the same standard list of posts that we had before. I hope this tutorial was helpful and have a great day.